Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a grooming essential that's all about keeping your hands impeccably cared for, the ZWILLING TWINOX Manicure Premium Care Set. This is a 5-piece set crafted with Henckels TWINOX stainless steel technology designed to offer durability and precision. It comes in a sleek black leather gift case, promising a luxury experience for your manicure routine. So what exactly do you get here? The set includes all the essential manicure tools you'd expect: nail clippers, cuticle nippers, scissors, a nail file, and a double-ended tool for cuticle pushing and cleaning. The standout feature is the TWINOX stainless steel. This is Henckels' premium material, known for its satin finish, exceptional corrosion resistance, even in humid environments, and razor-sharp precision. The craftsmanship promises tools that hold their edge and don't rust, making them suitable for long-term use. The leather case also adds a touch of class and practicality, keeping everything organized and travel-ready. Now, as someone who values a clean, polished look for hands, I put this set through its paces over a couple of weeks. The tools feel solid and comfortable in hand. There's no awkwardness with the grips or the weight. The nail clippers cut through nails smoothly without any snagging or crushing, which is a huge plus. The cuticle nippers are sharp but safe, allowing precise trimming without any accidental pinches. I also appreciated the nail file's gentle yet effective grit. It shaped my nails without overfiling or damage. Overall, it's a seamless experience that slots easily into a daily or weekly grooming routine. That said, the set is definitely geared toward those who want a premium, professional feel at home rather than a basic starter kit. If you're wondering about practicality, the leather case is compact but roomy enough to prevent tools from scratching each other. It zips up securely, which is great for keeping everything hygienic and ready to grab on the go. One minor thing is that the scissors have a bit of a learning curve due to their precise design. They require a steady hand, but once you get used to them, they're fantastic for detailed nail work. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons here. On the plus side, outstanding build quality, corrosion resistance, thanks to the TWINOX steel, sleek packaging, and comprehensive tool selection for most manicure needs. It's a premium product that performs as expected with an elegant touch. On the flip side, it's not the most budget-friendly option, and those new to at-home manicures might find the precision tools a little intimidating at first. Plus, it's primarily designed for hands, so if you want a combined pedicure set, you might need to look elsewhere or supplement. Speaking of price, this set sits on the higher end of the spectrum, which aligns with its premium construction and materials. Is it worth the investment? If you're serious about nail care and want tools that last, this is a strong contender. You get professional-grade stainless steel that won't rust or dull easily, which means fewer replacements over time. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are simpler manicure kits available that perform decently but lack the longevity and precision of this one. Compared to other manicure sets, the ZWILLING TWINOX stands out for its corrosion resistance and sharpness due to the TWINOX steel. Many lower-priced sets use regular stainless steel that dulls or rusts over time. Also, the leather case elevates the unboxing and storage experience, which some brands overlook. If you want an all-in-one, luxury-level set, this definitely fits the bill. In terms of build quality, I can attest the satin finish feels smooth and durable. The tools don't show any signs of corrosion or wear, even after repeated use and exposure to moisture, which speaks volumes about the material's quality. The case itself is sturdy, with a quality zipper and stitching that feel like they'll hold up well. I didn't personally interact with the brand's customer service, but Henckels has a solid reputation for good support and warranty options, which is reassuring for anyone investing in a premium tool set. If you're curious about alternatives, you could consider more affordable brands like Tweezerman or Revlon for basic manicure sets, though they won't offer the same level of corrosion resistance or precision craftsmanship. For those who want a similar premium feel but with a slightly larger tool selection, the Henckels TWINOX pedicure set might be worth a look. So, what's the final take? The ZWILLING TWINOX Manicure Premium Care Set delivers high-end quality and precision that nail enthusiasts will appreciate. It's especially suited for anyone who prioritizes durability and wants professional level tools at home. While the price may be a bit steep for casual users, the craftsmanship and materials justify it for those seeking longevity and performance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've already tried this set or have your own favorite manicure tools, drop a comment below and share your experience. The purchase link is in the description or comments, so check that out if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.